First, cut your flooring to size and dry fit into place. Be sure to mark out where your seams will go to ensure that you dry fit the flooring without mistakes. Carefully fold the flooring back from end to end, exposing enough of the subfloor to be troweled, being careful not to shift the flooring. Sweep area again, as dirt may have been tracked in or debris may be present from cutting and fitting the floor. Apply the relevant adhesive to the exposed subfloor and coved section, using the appropriate size trowel. Spread the adhesive to the back of the material where it will be hitting the coved areas. Further information on different adhesives is given in this series of videos. Allow the appropriate open time, approximately 15 to 20 minutes, for the adhesive to become tacky. Contact adhesives will require a flash off or dry to the touch time before placement. Place flooring into wet adhesive and press down firmly to ensure adhesion over the whole area. Roll thoroughly with a 50 or 75 kilogram roller, ensuring that all air is extracted. Use a hand roller for coved or confined areas. Wipe up any excess adhesive with soap and a water-dampened rag. Repeat this process with the second half of the floor covering. Proper ventilation of the work area is essential where these solvent-based adhesives are used. And there must be no ignition hazards around the installation area. To install Altro transport flooring using our self-adhesive solution, first cut the flooring to size, lay in place and trim to fit. Carefully fold one half back. Sweep the floor one last time and wipe down with isopropyl alcohol. Use a hook blade to cut the liner from the underside of the folded back floor covering, taking care not to damage the floor covering. Carefully remove the protective film liner from the exposed section and dispose of responsibly. Position the floor covering into the final location, ensuring all air is pushed to perimeter using a roller. Avoid walking on the floor until it has been rolled. Repeat for the remaining floor covering. Whatever the application method or type of adhesive used, it is essential that every part of the flooring is in contact with and is bonded to the subfloor. This must be achieved by using a 3-section roller on flat surfaces and a handheld roller on vertical and hard-to-reach areas. The flooring must be rolled 100% free of any air bubbles before proceeding past this point.